So I've had the stand mixer for many, many years now, and it's still going so strong. It came with all the attachments I could ever need, including a paddle, a whisk, and a bread hook. Plus, it's so easy and efficient to use that I've never even thought about any other mixer since getting this. Now, there is a push button on the side that makes raising and lowering the mixing handle very easy. You just push it in, raise it up, or push it in and lower it. I don't know about you, but a lot of recipes I use call for mixing your dry ingredients first and then mixing your wet ingredients slowly in, incorporating them. This mixer makes that so easy with the splatter shield that has a pour spout on it. So you can have the mixer going, mixing all of your dry ingredients, and then you can slowly incorporate your milk or your eggs or whatever your wet ingredients are. Removing the mixing attachment and bowl at the end from the stand are super easy as well. You just twist to unlock and remove both of them. I highly recommend.